come join me.
What happened to the other guys?
Gretchen,
Gretchen Paisley, Becca, and Lacey went back. We could see them going back. Then Cliff is slowly making his way up.
Okay, I'll wait for Cliff. There you go. Oh my gosh, I want to sit here. Oh. Hello, everybody. This is my house. Beautiful red house.
Come join us.
Hey.
It's cozy.
I'm gonna head on and see if I can catch up with everybody else.
Who else is up there? Just
This next part, a set of switchbacks, is called Walter's Wiggles because the director of the park, when it was constructed, his first name was Walter.
Excellent.
And that was Walter's Wiggles.